Discover les articles définis, so definite articles. In English it would be the, okay, but in French, of course, as usual, we've got the difference between the masculine form, the feminine form, and the plural form, okay? And we start with the masculine form, so we've got le, okay? And then, in some cases, this vowel if it's close to other vowels, so if there is a word after that starting with a vowel, in some case it will have to disappear, okay? So you will get this L apostrophe, so that's the reason I've been writing it here, okay? But then the main form is le, okay? Then la, feminine form, la, same for the same reason, you know, you will have this option L apostrophe as well. And then the plural form is les. Okay, so whereas in English you get there is only this the form, in French we will have the difference between the masculine form le, the feminine form la, and then the plural form les. So of course, according to the word, you will have to choose the correct article. So we'll take a few examples here. The first one is chien. Chien is a dog. And in French, chien, like that, it's masculine, so le chien. So basically, you just put the article le and then chien, okay? In that case, second case, ordinateur, well, you can see that it starts with the vowel O, okay? And as I said, you know, and O, they don't get along that well, so you get to take this away, and then you get this l'ordinateur, all right? And third example, so I took on purpose this hôtel, okay, because it starts with H, but remember that in French we don't pronounce H, okay, so basically the first sound of the word is the vowel O, okay, so for the same reason, needs to disappear, l'hôtel, okay, so if we repeat them, le chien, l'ordinateur, and then l'hôtel, okay? Feminine form, la famille, okay? So no problem, so family, la famille, okay? Then we've got argent, money, argent, same for the same reason, so l'argent, okay, you get to take this R away, l'argent, and same thing as previously when what we saw for the masculine part, even if you've got this H, then the first sound you hear is A, okay, so for the same reason you will have to take this A away, and then you get this l'habitation, okay, and then I've been taking, well, basically the example from here, chien, okay, and then I put S at the end, and it's the mark of the plural, okay? So you put les chiens, the dogs, okay? Les chiens. And then you take famille, family, okay? You just add this final S, and you get the plural form, les familles, okay? Remember, chien, singular form, chien, same pronunciation, but you put this S, okay? Final S, not pronounced. Famille, singular form, famille, plural form, same pronunciation, S, not pronounced. Okay?